Nice and lovely, guys. So back in the kitchen again one more time with Chef Ricardo. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back with the love, unity, and understanding by enough for the fans that understand Chef Ricardo. I know, so we always working very hard to do our thing. Detoxing, drink, and weight loss. We got some fresh mint. We're gonna put it straight inside of the blender. And also we have a piece of a ginger. Just gonna leave the skin on the ginger. And we're gonna put it straight inside of it, just like that. We have some celery, which we're going to cut up and put inside of it. All right. Lovely and nice. Very simple recipe. Nothing too complicated. We got some lemon. We're gonna put half of a lemon inside of it. You know what I mean? To blend up also inside of it. Now we have some yellow grapefruit. We're just gonna be using about what? Half? Yeah, half of it, yeah. Nice and lovely. We're gonna put that straight inside of it. Let's get the other half of the grapefruit. And we just simply remove the flesh from the grapefruit, just like that, so easily, without anything complicated. You don't need to stress yourself and wonder how you're gonna be moving from it, all right? So that's the way I normally move mine. Now, we're gonna simply put some water inside of it, roughly about half cups of water, a cup of water, medium-sized cup, because we have to free up the blender. You don't wanna burn up the blender. Now, it's gonna be amazing. It's just to put to blend, 3 to 4 seconds. Lovely. Do not stress yourself, guys. It's easy. All right. Now, what we're going to do is just going to run it through my strainer and get rid of some of the fiber. A lot of people have the fiber, but me personally, you know what I mean, I love to just run it through my strainer and get rid of some of the fiber. Nice one. Yep. Here it is. Here it is. And that looking good and nice. So look, you can hardly see the grapefruit. Any one of these ingredients you're allergic to, please do some research. It's got grapefruit, it got a lot of different kind of stuff inside of it, guys. So please do some research. That is lovely. Fantastic. So it look dark because of the mint. Don't worry yourself, nothing gonna happen to you unless you are allergic to any of these ingredients. Now, what I'm going to do is pour it into my cup like this. And you can just drink this, guys. It's very good for detoxing your body. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I'm always give you the best recipe and ideas of things you can drink at home. And as I always say, if it does not show off the recipe, please, guys, I want you to, you know what I mean, do some research and check on the ingredients if you're allergic to any of these ingredients. You know what I mean, as I said, it's just got grapefruit and I didn't put an apple cider vinegar in it. I put some celery, ginger, and lemon. And you know what I mean, if you want to add some honey, also you can add some honey to it, guys, organic honey. But for me personally, it's drink it natural. It's the best way to do it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye-bye.